Okay, today we're reverting back to the original wrist rest, and which is a box of 9mm ammo on a 4x4, because I couldn't hold the gun straight and steady on Monday. So it appears the thought is steadier. We're just going to try it and see. Okay, that's plenty loud. I'm going to turn these down. Turn this one up where maybe I can hear Michael if he calls it. That was shot one of target one. Now, the zero may change because I changed the rest. It looks like they're hitting left. There's 2 10-ring hits, 3 a little left. Okay, I think we're going to keep shooting with no change. The elevation's fine. Okay, so they are definitely gripping left.